how does the L.U.C. personality model compare to the Mbti personality model? The difference is massive because in the L.U.C. code I use images and stories. Why is this important? Because if you have done any kind of memory training, you would know that the human mind is literally incapable to see letters and numbers. It always sees images and remembers stories. And even if you were to imagine a sentence written in there, it's still an image of the sentence. It's not the letters and numbers themselves, it's the image of the sentence. So let me give you an example. Please close your eyes and please imagine a red elephant wearing 4 white high heels and a blue cowboy hat. Now please open your eyes and just think about it. Did you see number 4 anywhere? Did you see the letter A? Did you see the word elephant? No. You saw an elephant. You imagined an elephant. It was a weird red color, and then the shoes were some weird white color. Why would you wear white shoes in the jungle? And then some blue hat. And I bet even if I ask you in a week, you will still be able to recollect this image. But if I added a story and I told you that it's red, white and blue, because the elephant was performing in Texas, so we have the banner of Texas, we have the cowboy hat, now you have a story as well. So even if I ask you in a month, you'll still be able to recollect the image because now your brain was able to create more links to something you already know. And this way you remember the story even easier. So now let's say a few words about the MBTI personality model. It uses 4 expressions. It's introvert, extrovert, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, judging, and perceiving. And they use an abbreviation of each one of these 8 words. So it's I, E, S, I, T, F, J, P. And they create 16 personality models, which are a combination of these, different combinations of these 8 words. So you could be, for example, ISTJ model, personality. But how do you even remember that? And even if you made the effort to remember your own personality, how about someone else you're talking with? Because the purpose of having personality models is so that you can very quickly assess who the person next to you is, so that you can speak their language and adjust your body language and your personality language to them so that you can have better communication. So you are ISTJ, but they are EIFP. How do you quickly estimate this? And how do you remember it? And how do you adapt your behavior according to this? Very difficult. Whilst in the L.U.C. code, L is a lion. A lion is the element fire. So lions are the passionate, fiery people, passionately following their goal, their leaders. How easy is to remember that? And then we have U for umbrella cockatoo, which is a parrot. For shortness, we call them parrots. Parrot is the element air. Why? The parrot flies. The parrot is colorful, vibrant, and parrots are what? Talkative. That's exactly what the parrot people are. They're communication-driven people. So lions are passionate about results. That's who they are. But then the parrot is the communication-driven person. And then we have C for coral. And coral are the element water. How easy is to remember that, having in mind that the coral lives in the water? And they're the harmonious people. Just imagine the coral sitting peacefully on the ocean bed. It doesn't matter what happens on the surface. Could be war, could be an atomic bomb. The coral sits peacefully on the ocean bed. Harmonious people, balanced people. How easy is to remember that? And then we have the K for koala. Koala is the element earth. And just imagine the koala sitting peacefully on the tree and eating eucalyptus. How easy is to remember that? So the koala is the element earth type of person. And I will go in more details Later, I can't tell you all the stories all at once. I know you want to hear them. But remember, human mind understands images. It just doesn't understand letters and numbers. And all these expressions, introvert, extrovert, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, judging, perceiving from the MBTI model, they're hidden here as well. But they're hidden in the stories that you will never forget.